Understanding Pattern of Events, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase in English, pattern of events. This phrase is used quite frequently in both everyday conversation and in more formal contexts. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in your own conversations and writing. Let's start by breaking down the phrase, pattern of events. A pattern refers to a regular and repeated way in which something happens or is done. An event is something that happens, especially something important, interesting, or unusual. So, when we talk about a pattern of events, we're referring to a series of events that happen in a regular or predictable way. To better understand this, let's look at some examples. 1. Historical patterns. The historian analyzed the pattern of events leading up to the war, noting how similar situations had led to conflict in the past. 2. Personal life. She noticed a pattern of events in her relationships, with the same issues arising again and again. These examples show how recognizing patterns in events can help us understand both large-scale historical trends and personal experiences. Now, how can you use this phrase in your daily life? It's great for analyzing situations. When trying to understand why something happened, you might say, let's look at the pattern of events to see what led to this result. Making predictions. You could use it to make educated guesses about the future based on past events. Given the pattern of events, it's likely that this will happen again. Be cautious not to confuse pattern of events with a single occurrence. It's about a series of events, not just one. Also, a pattern suggests some level of consistency or predictability, so it's not used for random or isolated incidents. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, pattern of events. It's a powerful tool for analyzing and discussing various situations, both big and small. Remember, language is a window into how we perceive and interpret the world around us. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.